Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a room tour aboard the Symphony of the Seas. We'll take a look at everything the room has to offer, but if you're new to my channel, welcome! My name is Alanna and I love to do videos all about cruise news, cruise vlogs, cruise live streams, and cruise room tours just like this. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another upload. Let's get into the room tour and see everything that it has to offer. Here we are at stateroom 14244. This is an owner suite with a balcony in category OS aboard the Symphony of the Seas. So walking right on in, I'm really impressed by just the colors and the warmth of how this room feels. We have some fruit baskets waiting for us, so a nice little welcome. Light switches on the wall here, and we have like this kitchenette and dining area with lots of mirrors and storage space with all of these cabinets and drawers. What's great is we have a hot water maker and your coffee maker, and you're looking out into the living room here. And we have this couch that someone can sleep on as well. And they have these fun, decorative, colorful pillows, Royal Caribbean's magazines as well. And then the TV on the wall here, nice big screen and cupboard space underneath. You have lots of seating with all of these chairs, and you can enjoy all of kind of like a beverage station here as well. And then there's the safe in that cabinet over there, but we'll take a look over here into the bedroom. So there's plenty of room to walk around each side of the bed, which is great. So you don't have to fight over which side you want. We have an outlet over here and the phone, which has a USB port on the side. So you can keep your cell phone with you close to bed if you like that. And then we have this dresser over here for you to put all of your other products and get ready, do your makeup and your hair in the morning. We have USB outlets, regular outlets, and your outlets and your light switches to turn on and off the lights. I absolutely adore this little jewelry box with the little geode on there. I think that's so cute. These are the curtains to separate the two different rooms here, the living room from the bedroom. There's also a TV here in the bedroom as well, so you can kind of see how the room is laid out and from the different angles. We'll take a look outside on the balcony, and this is a really gorgeous balcony. Not only is there a great view in port right now, but there's tons of room, a whole table out here. So do you think you would enjoy some coffee inside or outside? Because you have the option with all of this seating and the nice two loungers with the little chairs and the table as well. So a lot of options and a gorgeous view right now. Look at those palm trees. The width and length of this balcony is really nice as well. So very, very cool. We will step back on side and take a look at the bathroom. So we do have a toilet and a bidet as well. And what I like about this bathroom here is the space. We have the his and her sink, and you have counter space underneath, and then the separation between the shower and the tub, which is really great. And then the bath products, and it's a beautiful room for sure. Well, that does it for this stateroom. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, ciao for now.